Welcome to VINDAL'S concept. Each time you hear trigonometric ratios or Pythagoras theorem, it can only be applied in a special triangle called a right angle triangle. And a right angle triangle is a kind of triangle that has only this symbol, nothing in or out. Any triangle has this symbol called 90 degree, then you know that that triangle is a right angle triangle. And in a right angle triangle, the only rule that you can apply to find the side or the angle is either Pythagoras theorem, either trigonometric ratios is to find the angle, and Pythagoras theorem is help to find the sides. But I'm going to combine these two in order to prove that this is true, that square of cos sine square plus sine square is equal to 1. I'm first of all going to apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that the side facing angle 90, that the square of that side is equal to, that the square of the side facing angle 90 is equal to the square of this side plus the square of this side. So I'm having a squared plus c squared, or it can still be b squared is equal to c squared plus a squared. That is just it. If this is true, I'm going to divide all by b squared. So I'm going to have b squared over b squared is equal to c squared over b squared plus a squared over b squared. B squared cancel b squared is 1 is equal to c over b all squared plus a over b all squared. I'm going to apply trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio say that sine of this angle, we are going to use SOHCAHTOA. Now remember, I have cos and I have sine. I'm only cosine with that. Cos means adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to A is for adjacent and H is for hypotenuse. What is adjacent? This is the angle. The side facing angle 90 is called hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. The side facing angle 90, the side facing this angle is called opposite. So of course, this should be the adjacent. Therefore, the cos theta is adjacent, which is A, all over hypotenuse, which is B, right? Now, sine is here, so I'm going to apply sine. Then sine theta means O is for opposite. This is opposite, and that is represented by C all over. H is for hypotenuse, and that is B. Therefore, you see that cos is A over B, and sine is B over C. So I'm going in here. I have that 1 is equal to C over B is something as C over B is sine. So I'm going to say sine theta all squared, because C over B is sine and it is squared, all right? Plus A over B is cos, and this is cos theta, and all squared because it is squared. But then in trigonometry, we don't write square of trigonometric ratios this way. We write it this way. We say 1 is equal to sine, the 2 will come in between the angle. This is how we write it, plus cos square theta. It can also be cos square theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. And this is the proof for this.